For question number 40, we look at figure 2 and the explanation below. The RF value of each compound was then calculated by dividing distance A by distance B. Distance A out here in figure 2 is the distance traveled by the spot, and distance B is the distance traveled by the solvent. Now, using this particular concept, we need to look at table 1. The distance traveled by the solvent, which is distance B, will be constant for all the particular compounds in group 2. Hence, the only variable factor would be distance A, which is the distance traveled by the spot. So if you look at table 1, we see that in group 2, higher the RF value, the relative greater distance that is traveled by the particular compound. Supposing if naphthalene has an RF value of maximum 0.85 out of all the three, it has traveled the maximum distance. The spot of naphthalene would have traveled the maximum distance. Then PNCB and then vanillin. So if we look at the options, we have to find out for which particular option has naphthalene traveled the furthest compared to the other compounds. If you look at option B, out here PNCB has traveled the furthest from its initial spot out here, which is not true. Again, for C out here, vanillin has traveled the furthest, which is not true. And in D, again PNCB has traveled the furthest. If you look at option A, naphthalene has traveled the furthest, followed by PNCB and then vanillin, which is true based on the RF values in table 1 and the concept we just saw out here. Hence, option A is the correct answer.